Hello, how are you? It is Mujuni podcast again, and today we are going to discuss about how can forex trading be a full-time job. Many people need to do forex full-time. Is it possible to do a forex trading full-time? The answer is yes. You can do forex trading full-time. You can take it as your full-time job. Because forex trading, it offers a lot of financial freedom than your 9 to 5 job. So many people love to do forex trading because of that. You can get a lot of financial freedom than your 9 to 5 job. Unfortunately, many traders cannot do forex full time. It is not every trader can do forex full time because it involves a lot of psychological stress and emotional battle. And not every trader can able to withstand with that for years. That's why many traders fail to do forex full time at their job. Another thing, it needs a lot of discipline and consistency. Forex trading need a lot of discipline. The way you discipline yourself, your risk and money management, not to overtrade it, involve a lot of discipline. Sometimes you can wake up and don't feel to do, but you have to do because it needs consistency. So you can gain an experience in a forex market and then you can become a pro trader. So forex trading can be a full-time job, but not every trader can be a full-time forex trader due to that price you need to pay to become a full-time forex trader. But forex trading can be a full-time job. It offers a lot of financial freedom. You cannot compensate with anything. It is priceless. How can you start to trade forex full-time? Many people ask themselves, where are we going to start? First of all, before doing forex full time, you should have the passion for the markets. With all emotional battle and psychological stress, if you don't have the passion for the forex market, you will quit as soon as possible. Many people can come to do forex because they have heard that it has a lot of output. Deep down, their more concentration is on money, but they don't love the process like doing analysis, going to look to the financial events. So at the end of the day, it involves a lot of psychological battle, a lot of emotional warfare, because they don't have the passion for the market. They are looking for the money. They will always quit when they experience the hardship. Because in order to master the forex market, you need a lot of time to study. You need a lot of time to gain an experience so you can master your emotion. So if it's all about money, my friend, you're going to quite soon. So if you want to start to trade forex full time, make sure you have passion for the forex market. Another thing, you trade for a living. Many people, they want to trade forex full time because they want to make a living. They want to make as a source of income. That is the reason why many people want to trade forex. And if you know what you are doing in a forex market, my friend, you're going to have a meaningful amount of income at the end of the month. So you are welcome in the forex market industry. Another thing, many people, and this is one of the main reasons make people to want to start to do forex full time, it is desire to be independent. If you want to be free like us, if you want to do what you want at any time, if you are a person who wants your own freedom, you want to be under any person or under any control, I think this is your way to go. Because forex trading gives you a financial freedom, which it becomes the source of your happiness, which you cannot exchange with anything. So if your desire to be independent is fire you within you for a long period of time, I think forex trading full time could be the solution for your desire to be independent. Ways you can start trading forex full time. Many people, they look to the ways. Okay, I have mastered some skills. I have some skills. I want to do forex full time. What ways I can pass so I can do forex full time? Okay, if you have acquired necessary skills in forex markets, You are now able to make a meaningful amount. Now you want to do Forex full time. One of the way to start to doing Forex full time, if you have a necessary skill required, you can go to apply for an investment company. There is a lot of an investment company need traders who are competent. So once you get to trade for an investment company, you gain a lot of an experience because you'll be given a large fund. So you gain an experience in trading with really money, big amount of money. Also, you gain an experience on how to manage things in officially way. So one of the way, if you don't have your capital, because once you want to do Forex full time, you need a sizable amount of capital. If you don't have enough capital, you can opt to go to trade for an investment company. That is one of the way to go. Another thing, before start doing Forex full time, many people, they think that if they trade for 2 months and start to see profit, they want to jump direct to trade full time. It is one of the big mistakes many traders do. First of all, if you have a job, continue to keep your job while you are trade for part-time first. You need to trade for part-time like a year or 2 years so that you can master and you can sharp your skills for those 2 years while you are keeping your job. Your job will support you with your daily needs while you are losing the money in the financial markets. You are not losing the money, you are paying the price to become a pro. So first of all, if you want to start trading Forex full time, before jumping direct to start to trade Forex full time and quit your job, first of all, you should trade for part time like 2 years so that you can gain an outstanding performance skills. So once you are going to do Forex full time job, you can able to gain a meaningful amount of profit from the market. Another thing, if you want to do Forex full time, many people, they think that you can just direct jump to the market. No, you need to analyze yourself and tell yourself, how have you mastered your emotion when it comes to a market? Are you the person who has a lot of fears, greed, fear of missing out? You want to enter a trade each and every time. You need to master a lot of emotion before starting doing Forex full time, like greed, fear of missing out. There is a lot of emotions in the Forex market, which act as the setback for a trader to be a profitable trader. So for your 2 years of practice as a part-time trader, you have to analyze your emotion. How matured enough you are after those 2 years to master your emotion. Are you calm? Do you have any fear? Do you have any greed? Are you over trading? So there is a lot of things you have to master first, and be honest to yourself before doing Forex full time. Make sure you master your emotional very well, because Forex trading is a psychological game, involve a lot of stress and emotional warfare. So even if you have a good strategy, you have mastered your strategy, but if your psychology and emotion is still disturbing you, please don't do Forex full time first until you cover your emotion very well. Also, as you know that now you are going to quit your job and want to trade Forex full time, it is some bored job sometimes. It happens a lot of time you are waiting for the setups to come to your point of selling or buying. So you become an idle. There is idle environment. So if you don't love Forex, I think you'll quit as soon as possible, because sometimes there is a moment it is bored. So before trading Forex full time, I know you might be coming to do Forex for money, but you have to develop a passion too for trading, because it takes a lot to master the Forex market. It takes a lot of your time to master the Forex market. So if you don't have a passion for the market or for the Forex market, you will quit as soon as possible. To avoid quitting, you need to make sure and ask yourself that if your passion is big enough to conquer any setback. So you have to develop a passion. Once you analyze the market, how do you feel it? Are you happy? Once you're going to look for the economic calendar, for the economic event, once you look to Form's news release, are you happy? Are you okay? Do you feel something? You should ask yourself. Or do you think it's a bored job? Blah, 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 blah. So if you don't have enough passion, you'll quit as soon as possible. Also, this is one of the critical parts we are going to enter that will help you to prepare yourself to do Forex as full-time job. After you have acquired a necessary skills, you have mastered your emotions, you have a passion, you have to save the trading capital. While you are doing the practice as a part-time trader for that 2 years, because in order to trade Forex full-time as your job, you need a sizable amount of capital, not $10, $20, $1,000, at least 10,000 USD, $10,000. So for a Tanzanian or an African or many young youth cannot afford to have such a capital because you are going to depend on the Forex for a living. So if you want to do that, make sure during your part-time, during your time you are doing a lot of practice, you should save money. You should save money so that you can use that money for your capital. For those 2 years, you should save money not less than 10,000 USD, $10,000, so that you can start with. You should save not only a trading capital, an adequate amount of capital. You should save at least twice of the capital you want to start with, because at an early age, as a Forex full-time trader, during the first year, you may not make any tangible amount of profit. So many people sometimes blew their live trading account at that year. So if you save 2 times of your capital, if you burn that capital, you'll go to the bank and will withdraw and go again. So if you want to start with 10,000 USD, you have to save like 20,000 USD. So you can take 20,000 USD and deposits and start doing trading full time. 10,000 USD is a minimum. You can put 50,000 and above. So one of the most critical part as a trader, after mastering your skills, after mastering your emotion, after develop a passion for the market, you need to save adequate trading capital. Also, during the first year, as I told you, as a full-time trader, you will experience a lot of setbacks. So you need also to save enough amount of money which can cover your bills, which can cover your rent, which can cover your food, hospital bills, so that once you don't make a meaningful amount or any tangible amount of profit in your first year, you can still have a money which can continue to run your life while you are struggling to attain an age. So don't forget about these 2 things. Saving. Saving is one of the critical factor which can help you to trade for a living. You need to save enough amount of capital. You need to save money which can sustain your lifestyle at your first year as a Forex full-time trader, because at the first year, you may not make a tangible amount of profit. Sometimes, it's not for all, but many traders experience that. Also, as a Forex full-time trader, you need to have a very strict timetable. You need to be aware and conscious about your timetable. First of all, one of the most important thing, you need to have a nice working place. You need to have a laptop, an internet connection, which is more stable and which has a rapid speed. You need to have a sizable screen which you can see your chart more clearly. So once you wake up in the morning, you need to have a cup of coffee. You need to, before taking a cup of coffee or any breakfast, you need to take a shower so your mind can be sharp. Once you take a shower, you make your mind sharp. So once you are going to analyze the market, your mind is already prepared. So in the morning, you need to take a shower, a nice breakfast or a cup of coffee to start your day with sharpness of the mind. Also, another thing, you should know the time where the news is released, especially when you are intraday trader. You should be sure that once the news is released, you are in the screen, you are on the screen. You are looking to the chart so you can decide to close or to break even or to manage your trades. So make sure that during economic event release, you are in the chart, you are in the screen. Also, you should choose your pairs. Don't trade 23 pairs at once. You should choose 1 or 2 pairs to go for a day. That will increase your level of accuracy. So make sure that you are very careful in choosing the pair to concentrate per day. You can choose 2 to 3 pairs. No, don't choose a lot of pairs. Yes, so that is one of the few things you can do during your day as a Forex full-time trader. It is Mujuni Podcast again. I wish all the best. Enjoy our podcast. See you on the next week.